Yes, hello friends, how are you? Yes, today's our point is Tautomerism. This is the last type of structural isomerism. You see, what is the Tautomerism? The isomerism in which you can observe the compound is hanging between two forms. First one keto form and second one enol form. What do you mean by enol form? Enol form means the compound in which two types of functional groups are present. Alkene double bond and alcohol hydroxy group will be present. In keto form, ketonic group will be present. Suppose CH3CHO. Its common name is acetaldehyde and its IUPAC name is ethanol. Yes, during forward reaction it will converted into CH2 single bond CH single bond OH. Vinyl alcohol, otherwise you can say eth, one in one all. You see CH3CHOs. This is the structure of CH3. 3 hydrogen is to be indicated. Yes, 3 hydrogens are bonded with this carbon through single bond. Single bond CHO is to be written as one. There is a double bond between carbon and oxygen. And during forward reaction, this bond will migrate from between carbon and oxygen. This pi bond will migrate between two carbon atoms and hydrogen will migrate from carbon to oxygen. It will give this type of compound. That's why CH2 double bond CH single bond OH. This is vinyl alcohol, yeah. With eth one in one all. During reverse reaction, this hydrogen will migrate from oxygen to carbon and this pi bond will transfer from between two carbon to carbon and oxygen. It will give this type of compound. Finally, it is known as acetaldehyde. Means during both forward and reverse reaction, compound एसिटाइल्डिहाइड का कन्वर्जन विनाइल अल्कोहल में, रिवर्स रिएक्शन में विनाइल अल्कोहल इज टू कन्वर्टेड इनटू एसिटाइल्डिहाइड. दिस टाइप ऑफ आइसोमेरिज्म इज नोन एज ए टोटोमेरिज्म. टोटोमेरिज्म में कंपाउंड दो फॉर्म के बीच हैंग करता है. Second illustration is acetone. Acetone is the thing. Yes, its IUPAC name is prop2-on. Okay. Otherwise you can say propane-2-on. एक मिनट कापी ना देते तो आगड़िया. Propane-2-on. Its structure formula CH3 single bond COO single bond CH3. In acetone, hydrogen will migrate from carbon to oxygen simultaneously. One pi bond will transfer between carbon and oxygen to between two carbon atoms. Finally, it will give this type of compound. And name of this compound is known as a prop 1-in-2-all. Simultaneously, this hydrogen will transfer from oxygen to carbon and this pi bond will transfer between two carbon atoms to between carbon and oxygen atom. This phenomenon always observed in reverse reaction. That's why prop 1-in-2-all is converted into acetone, otherwise prop2-on. Third illustration is acetyl acetone. Now you see CH3 single bond CO single bond CH3. This is acetone. इसको स्ट्रक्चर में यस हाइड्रोजन सेपरेट से लिखो यस. If one hydrogen is replaced by COCH3, this group is known as acetyl. Otherwise, you can say acyl group. This is the derivative of acetone, in which one hydrogen is replaced by acetyl. That's why this compound is known as acetyl acetone. If you want to know this IUPAC name, you first of all you calculate the total number of carbon atom in this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbon means it is the derivative of pentane, and that's why its common IUPAC name is pen-2,4-dione, because CO group is present on second carbon and fourth carbon. Pentane 2,4-dione या pen-2,4-dione both are same. इनका स्ट्रक्चर लिखे CH3CO या CH2 का हाइड्रोजन नीचे इंडिकेट करो, COO का ऑक्सीजन नीचे डबल बॉन्ड से इंडिकेट करो CH3. Yes, one hydrogen will shift from CH carbon to oxygen simultaneously. One pi bond will transfer between carbon and oxygen towards the two carbon atoms. And finally our product will be just like this one. CH3CO, CH double bond, COH single bond, CH3. What is the name of this compound? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon. Yes, alkane having 5 carbon is known as a pentane. One more thing, you see two functional groups are present in this compound. One double bond, second one OH. Okay. So, one more thing. Now you see, and third group is CO group. ये कंपाउंड में 3 फंक्शनल ग्रुप प्रेजेंट है. CO group is maximum reactive. That's why numbering is to be given from that side. That's the carbon having CO group will receive less number. That's why we will give the numbering from left hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Yes. So double bond is present between third and fourth carbon, and hydroxy group is present on fourth carbon. That's why this compound is known as a 3 in 4 all pent 2 on. Otherwise you can say pentane 2 all also. Less reactive group is to be mentioned first of all. That's why double bond and OH both group is to be mentioned first of all. 3 in 4 all pent 2 on. Now you see, in this compound, the hydrogen of CH2 will transfer on oxygen atom. Simultaneously double bond में से एक pi bond will migrate between 2 carbon atoms. This will be our product. Though at once this hydrogen will migrate from oxygen to this carbon, this pi bond will migrate between carbon and oxygen. Our original compound will form. This type of isomerism is known as a tautomerism. Tautomerism में कुछ नहीं होता है. Yes, 2 कंपाउंड के बीच उसका स्ट्रक्चर हैंगिंग करता है. One form keto form. Keto form means, yes, if there is a double bond between 2 carbon and oxygen, this group is known as a keto form. And enol form में alkene डबल बॉन्ड और OH दोनों ग्रुप फंक्शनल ग्रुप रहेंगे. तो Yes, both acetaldehyde या ethanol and vinyl alcohol, otherwise you can say eth 1 in 1 all, both are tautomers. Similarly, acetone, otherwise you can say prop 2 on and prop 1 in 2 all, both are tautomers type isomers है. Acetyl acetone, otherwise pen 2 4 dione and 3 in 4 all pen 2 on, both compounds are also tautomers to each other. Means ये हमने स्ट्रक्चरल आइसोमेरिज्म, इस दोनों कंपाउंड डिफरेंट है, दोनों के स्ट्रक्चर फॉर्मूला डिफरेंस है, तो उनकी प्रॉपर्टी भी डिफरेंस हो जाएगी, दोनों में फंक्शनल ग्रुप डिफरेंस है, लेकिन यहाँ इक्विलिब्रियम एस्टैब्लिश होता है. आज तक हमने कोई भी टाइप की आइसोमेरिज्म में इक्विलिब्रियम एस्टैब्लिश नहीं होता है वो देखा, लेकिन टोटोमेरिज्म में यह था, ये कन्वर्जन ऑफ वन कंपाउंड टू अनदर वन. यस, उसमें से फर्स्ट कंपाउंड बनता है, एंड दिस टाइप ऑफ आइसोमेरिज्म इज नोन एज ए टोटोमेरिज्म. द फाइनल स्ट्रक्चरल आइसोमेरिज्म can be classified in 5 types. CP Gamati, okay. GMT, C for chain isomerism, P for position isomerism, G for functional group isomerism, M for metamerism, and finally T for tautomerism. Yes, these all are the types of structural isomerism. ये structural isomerism complex compound में भी हम next time देखेंगे, लेकिन ये व्हाट इज द स्ट्रक्चरल आइसोमेरिज्म वो नई नॉलेज होगा तो वो कॉम्प्लेक्स कंपाउंड में स्ट्रक्चरल आइसोमेरिज्म है वो नहीं समझ पाएंगे. स्ट्रक्चर चेंज होने की वजह से प्रॉपर्टी चेंज होती है, उसमें ये टाइप्स की सब आइसोमेरिज्म है. सेकेंड टाइप ऑफ आइसोमेरिज्म इज नोन एज ए स्टीरियो आइसोमेरिज्म. वो नेक्स्ट यूनिट में एक ज्योमेट्रिकल आइसोमेरिज्म का स्टडी है, वो देखेंगे, और 12th में ऑप्टिकल आइसोमेरिज्म में वो देखेंगे. ओके बाबू, थैंक यू वेरी मच. आर्या, यहाँ हम स्टॉप करते हैं, नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में नेक्स्ट पॉइंट चलेंगे. ओके, थैंक यू.